So, hi, dear Aries, very, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a 7 day, 7 oracle messages from 20th till the 26th of April 2026. Okay, these messages might or might not resonate with you. Don't take them too personally. Even if they are going to resonate, let's say 100% with you, then also take the messages as the guidance only. Okay, don't take it as, oh my god, life changing decision, life changing actions based on journal readings on the internet. Okay, for personal reading healing sessions, check out the description box. I'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass too, links are given below. So let's start. The overall message for this week for Aries people. We have page of profile, a new emotional situation, messages regarding relationships or social invitations, great intuitive insights. You guys might get some kind of invitations. Go there, have fun. You might end up making really beautiful friends, and you guys are going to get great intuitive insights this week, especially if you guys are consciously working on your spirituality. You guys might end up getting some kind of intuitive insights and messages this week. Okay, let's start for this week. 20th till the 26th, messages for Aries per day. For 20th, we have Change Your Life, a sudden revelation that offers freedom. Something is going to be revealed to you that is going to make you feel free after a long period of chaos or conflict. Break free of procrastination. Do not procrastinate important things that you should be doing on this particular day only, that might not go in your favor. Embrace the opportunities that change brings. Change is the only constant, Aries, and accepting the change is going to give you the kind of opportunities that you should embrace. Otherwise, you're going to miss the point of living, right? Because change is the only constant and we cannot control the changes from happening. 21st, we have the Eight of Michael. You can be free. You can be totally free from some kind of issues that you guys have created for yourself. You guys have to make a bold choice or decision here to be free. Okay, make a courageous choice to change your situation. Again, you guys have to make a solid choice, solid decision here to change your situation. Not seeing things clearly, you guys might not be able to see something clearly the way you guys should. That is why there is procrastination, there is this energy of being stuck. All you have to do is you have to make the bold choice or bold action of changing your current energies, and you guys can be free. But you have to make that choice and take the action. 2021st, 22nd, we have the Six of Gabriel. Congratulations, you have done a wonderful job. You might be able to complete some kind of project, or I have a pimple here, don't think otherwise. So you might end up doing some great project, or you are on the finish line of doing something really good for yourself. So you have done a wonderful job. Time to move on to the next project or next thing. So there is a completion of some kind of project, some kind of work. You guys should congratulate yourself. You guys should tap your shoulders in happiness, right, as a blessing. Now you guys are ready to move to the next project. You guys might end up getting some kind of awards or scholarships or promotions or salary hike. Take it how it resonates with you. It can be in any area of your life, these messages, but I'm reading what I'm getting here, exactly what I'm getting. 2021st, 22nd, 23rd, we have the wheel. New beginnings, yeah, because there's another cycle starting for you guys from 21st, so new beginnings on from 22nd onwards. And of delays, a change in direction that offers happiness. The way you guys are going to handle your life, the way you are going to change your perception towards life, is going to offer you the happiness that you're looking forward to have. Okay, good days, good energies. 2021st, 22nd, 23rd. 24th, we have the stay determined and move forward. Okay, determination is the key here, confidence is the key here. Be prepared for any possibility. You might end up getting some kind of a roadblock or some kind of issue, but you guys will be able to get over it if you guys are going to stay determined. Okay. And environmental activism, if you are into environmental activism or volunteering or something, go and enjoy, go and have fun. You guys are going to end up having a lot of healing, lot of feeling good and feeling, at peace after that thing. For some of you, you guys might be invited to speak on environment, or you guys might go to some kind of environmental studies things. Whatever it is, go enjoy it, give it your best. Okay. 20, 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 24th. 25th, we have the lovers. Make choices from your heart. Okay, you should have a balanced heart and a balanced mind when you guys are making any kind of choices or decisions. Deeply emotional commitments, you might end up committing to something, maybe a project, maybe a work, maybe to someone. On this particular day, the power of love, you guys are going to feel the power of choosing love over everything else and everyone else. That's a really bizarre message. I don't think it's bizarre in the sense that the way I am conveying it to you, some people might take it as, oh, it's about love, it's about romantic love. No. Sometimes we emotionally commit to ourselves. Sometimes we emotionally commit to some kind of goal of our life, right? The power of love, the power that the love that you're going to feel from inside, you guys are going to spread it all over the place, and it's going to make you feel very happy from inside. 21st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th. 26, last message. Four of Ariel, when you give, you also receive. Whenever you give with an open heart, with a blessed heart, you also receive. Okay. Being resistant to change, do not resist changes, Aries, because change is the only constant. The more you are going to resist changes, the more it's going to be difficult for you to have growth and expansion the way you guys should have. Extremes in how you save or spend money. You are either going to be so much miserable that I'm never going to spend a penny from my wallet, or you are going to be overspending. So you guys have to find a middle ground where you're not going in the two extremes. You are doing something in a balanced way when it comes to your finances. Okay, either you're overspending or you are oversaving. There's nothing as oversaving, like being extra protective, right, towards money. Let's see the guidance here. 8 of Gabriel, a great deal of activity, sudden and immediate results, important communication. This week is going to be quite active for you guys, quite hectic, you can say, but in a very, very positive way. Some kind of immediate results are going to be seen, like you guys are going to do something today and you might end up getting the results in 1 or 2 days only. There is going to be some kind of important communication this week, or if you're waiting for some kind of important communication to happen, you guys can plan to do that in this week. Things can be sorted. Cool. So this is what I have for you for this week, Aries. Wish you a really good week. May existence bless you. Namaste.